Welcome to today's video on the top 5 fitness secrets that can change your life. Most people struggle with fitness because they focus only on workouts without a full plan. The truth is, fitness is not just about exercise, it is about lifestyle. There are hidden principles that successful athletes and trainers follow. These principles are not complicated, but many ignore them. In this video, I will reveal the 5 secrets that can unlock your true potential. If you have been working hard in the gym but not seeing results, you need this. If you are new to fitness and feel confused about where to start, you need this. Even if you are advanced, these secrets will remind you of what really matters. Fitness is not a short-term project, it is a lifelong journey. Secret number 1 is consistency over intensity. Most beginners believe they must train extremely hard to see results. They think pushing themselves to exhaustion once a week is enough. But the body responds better to regular and consistent training. Exercising 3 to 5 times a week builds lasting habits. It is better to work out moderately but consistently than occasionally with maximum effort. Consistency keeps your metabolism active throughout the week. It also prevents burnout and keeps motivation alive. Think of fitness as brushing your teeth. You do it daily, not once in a while. The first secret is simple: show up regularly, no matter how small the effort. Consistency also means sticking with healthy eating habits. A crash diet followed by unhealthy eating will not work. Instead, focus on small changes that you can maintain. Drinking enough water every day is part of consistency. Sleeping at the same time each night helps your body recover. Over time, small consistent steps become powerful habits. So remember, consistency builds discipline, and discipline creates results. This secret is the foundation of every fitness transformation. Without consistency, no workout program will truly work. Make consistency your priority and the results will follow. Secret number 2 is nutrition is the foundation. You cannot out-train a bad diet no matter how hard you try. Food is fuel, and the quality of fuel determines your performance. If you eat junk, your body will perform poorly. If you eat clean, your body will reward you with strength and energy. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Proper nutrition helps in building muscle and burning fat. It also speeds up recovery after intense workouts. Hydration is another key element of nutrition. Water supports every process in your body, from digestion to circulation. Dehydration leads to fatigue, poor focus, and reduced performance. Aim to drink water throughout the day, not just when thirsty. Balance your meals with protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein helps in muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates provide the energy you need for workouts. Healthy fats support hormones and brain function. Another tip is portion control. Eating too much healthy food still leads to weight gain. Listen to your body's hunger signals and avoid mindless snacking. The secret is to fuel your body, not just fill your stomach. Nutrition also impacts mental clarity and mood. When you eat clean, your energy levels stay stable throughout the day. You avoid the crashes that come from sugar and junk food. A healthy diet reduces stress and improves sleep quality. It also strengthens your immune system and keeps illness away. Remember, exercise shapes the body but nutrition reveals it. No amount of cardio can undo a diet full of empty calories. The second secret is this: master your nutrition and you will master your body. Once you control what goes into your body, everything else becomes easier. Food is medicine, so treat it with respect. Secret number 3 is recovery is as important as training. Many people think more exercise equals more results. They push themselves hard every day without rest. This leads to burnout, fatigue, and even injuries. Your body grows stronger not during exercise but during rest. Training breaks down muscle fibers, rest repairs them. Without recovery, your muscles cannot rebuild stronger. Sleep is the most powerful recovery tool. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Poor sleep reduces strength, slows metabolism, and increases cravings. Active recovery is also valuable for long-term fitness. This includes stretching, yoga, walking, and light activities. These movements keep blood flowing and prevent stiffness. Mobility exercises improve flexibility and joint health. Massage and foam rolling reduce soreness and speed up healing. Taking 1 or 2 rest days a week prevents overtraining. Listen to your body, If you feel exhausted, allow more rest. Recovery also means giving attention to mental health. Stress management is essential for physical progress. Meditation, breathing exercises, or simply relaxing helps you recover fully. Recovery fuels consistency because a rested body performs better. A well-rested mind stays motivated and focused. Skipping recovery leads to injuries that stop progress for weeks. Therefore, recovery is not weakness but a secret weapon. It is the balance between work and rest that creates growth. Every athlete prioritizes recovery as much as training. So the third secret is this: train hard but recover harder. When you rest well, your body thanks you with strength. Recovery is the hidden key that most people ignore. Those who respect recovery always achieve long-term success. Secret number 4 is strength training is essential. Many people, especially beginners, only focus on cardio. They think running or cycling alone is enough for fitness. But strength training builds muscle, which changes everything. Muscles increase your metabolism and burn calories even at rest. They give your body shape, definition, and power. Strength training improves bone density and prevents osteoporosis. It strengthens joints and reduces risk of injury. It also boosts confidence as you feel stronger each week. This secret is not only for bodybuilders, but for everyone. Strength training does not mean lifting heavy weights immediately. You can start with push-ups, squats, and lunges. Bodyweight training is enough for beginners to get results. As you progress, add dumbbells, resistance bands, or barbells. The goal is to challenge your muscles in a safe way. Strength training also supports daily activities. You will notice carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or lifting objects becomes easier. For athletes, it improves performance in every sport. For older adults, it slows aging and keeps independence. Everyone, regardless of age, benefits from strength training. Another advantage of strength training is hormone balance. It boosts testosterone and growth hormone naturally. These hormones support fat loss and muscle building. It also improves mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. Strength workouts release endorphins that keep your mood positive. The secret here is that muscle is the real fat burner. If you want to stay lean, strength training is non-negotiable. 2 to 3 strength workouts a week can transform your body. Cardio burns calories temporarily, muscle burns them permanently. So the fourth secret is this: make strength training part of your routine. Secret number 5 is mindset drives success. The body can only go as far as the mind allows. Many people start fitness journeys but quit after weeks. They rely on motivation, which comes and goes. But discipline is what keeps you going when motivation fades. A strong mindset builds habits that last a lifetime. Set realistic goals instead of chasing overnight results. Break big goals into smaller milestones. Celebrate small wins along the way. Patience is key because transformation takes time. Fitness is as much mental as it is physical. Your thoughts determine your actions. If you believe you cannot do it, you never will. But if you believe in progress, you will succeed. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive people. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Focus on your own growth and progress. Visualize the results you want and work toward them. Stay consistent even when you feel like giving up. Mindset is what separates those who quit from those who achieve. A positive mindset also helps you handle setbacks. Everyone faces plateaus, missed workouts, or off days. What matters is bouncing back stronger. Do not see failure as the end, but as feedback. Adjust your plan and keep moving forward. Fitness is a journey, not a race. The secret is to fall in love with the process. When you enjoy the journey, results naturally follow. The fifth secret is simple: master your mind, and your body will follow. Discipline, patience, and positivity are the keys to long-term success. Now let us review the 5 secrets together. First, consistency matters more than intensity. Second, nutrition is the foundation of fitness. Third, recovery is just as important as training. Fourth, strength training is essential for everyone. Fifth, mindset drives long-term success. These 5 secrets are simple but powerful. They are the blueprint for building a healthy lifestyle. They apply to beginners, athletes, and even advanced trainers. When you combine all 5, transformation is guaranteed. This is the formula for sustainable fitness and health. Thank you for watching this video on the top 5 fitness secrets. I hope these insights help you on your journey to better health. Do not forget to like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Share this video with friends and family who need motivation. Comment below and tell us which secret you will start applying today. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and stay positive. Your best body and best life are within your reach. See you in the next video with more powerful content.